Nissan has commenced demonstrations of a prototype vehicle equipped with its in-house developed autonomous drive technologies, showcasing progress towards its goal of rolling out autonomous mobility services within fiscal year 2027. The Nissan LEAF prototype vehicle incorporates 14 cameras, 10 radars, and 6 LIDAR sensors, demonstrating Nissan's progress in the field of autonomous driving, particularly within complex urban environments. Compared to earlier prototypes the company has demonstrated, the latest test vehicle features an array of roof-mounted sensors, significantly expanding the detection area and enabling more accurate detection of its surroundings. As a result, recognition performance, behavioral prediction, judgment functions, and control functions have been enhanced, delivering smooth operation in a variety of complex scenarios. Around the busy streets of Yokohama, close to Nissan's global headquarters in Japan, the LEAF prototype smoothly demonstrates its ability to predict the behavior of pedestrians, conduct lane changes when merging, and judge when to safely enter intersections. Nissan has been studying business models for future mobility services since fiscal year 2017. While the current demonstration is being conducted at Society of Automotive Engineers Level 2, equivalent with a safety driver present, the company aims to continue expanding functionality and to begin offering autonomous drive mobility services within Japan, starting in fiscal year 2027, working with third parties such as local authorities and transport operators. In the fourth quarter of this fiscal year, Nissan aims to begin trials in the Minato Mirai area and plans to progress to service demonstration tests within fiscal year 2025. During the trials, the level of autonomous driving functionality will be gradually increased while assessing customer acceptance, with the aim to provide driverless services. This initiative is being conducted in close cooperation with the Japanese Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, Ministry of Land Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism, and other central ministries. These ministries will also promote initiatives to realize new autonomous mobility services at the Level 4 Mobility Acceleration Committee they organize. Nissan's long-term vision is to empower mobility by solving transportation service issues faced by local communities. Local communities, particularly within Japan, have been facing several mobility challenges, such as driver shortages resulting from an aging population. Supporting a resolution to this challenge, Nissan will provide a broad range of new services that enable free movement.